Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is GCC here, and today we'll be unboxing Claire Gunzer, or Gunzer, however you pronounce that name. So here's the front of the package. Here's the back. So let's get her opened. Alright, so here she is. A clown makeup on in the front, you see that. Here's the side of her. She has some pretty neat rims, as you can see. Side, yeah. These like bubble polka dot things in the back. I think it's pretty neat. Of course, she's made in Thailand. So that's pretty neat. I'm not sure why it says 2022 Mattel. Must be one that we made and they released 2023. I don't know, but it must be. So yeah, so pretty sweet. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. My Instagram link is in the bio below. Thanks guys and have a good day. See you.